Hello everyone, today we will be making a 3D model using 2D sketch. So you can see, and today our focus will be on trim features. So let's go. First we select the plane and then we make a circle at the center. Then again we will select a center line. Center line, as you all know, is used for reference. So let's go. Reference. Then again one more circle at the other side of this, and you can see clearly in the sketch that first circle is of radius of diameter 80 and second is of diameter 40, and you can see one more thing, that is the difference between these two circles is of 210 mm. So let's go. We will be doing this only. Done. Now we will be adding more circles and we will be trimming it to make the curve, the outer curve. So let's go. First a big circle, then again on the second point one more big circle, and you can see the radius of these two circles are 80 and 40 mm respectively. So let's go. So 80 into 2, 160 it is, and the second one is of 40 into 2, 80. So let's go. These two circles are ready now. Now again there is two more circles, that is of 180 and 75 radius respectively. So let's go. So we'll be making this. Okay, this is going to be of what, 180 into 2 now. So let's go. 180 into 2, that is going to be the radius, and sorry, diameter. And again we will be dragging it down, and first make the tangent, drag it down, then make it tangent with the other circle also. Let's go. Tangent. Done. So the second one is of what, 75 into 2, 150 diameter. So first tangent it is, and then we'll make the second tangent. Okay, let's go. 150 mm and then tangent. Done. Now they have been our sketch is ready. Now we will be using the trim feature to trim out all the extra parts. Let's go. Remove all the extra parts. Then remove it also, and on the other side also. So let's go. Our sketch is ready. Now we will be using the extrude feature to extrude it, and you can see it is of 20 mm. So let's go. 20 mm depth, and done. Thank you.